everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is 2019 and today I'm bringing you a new video on an old wig. Before I get started and tell y'all what we're doing today, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so you get notified about all of my hot videos for the rest of this year. And please don't forget to share. Today I'm going to be refreshing the color on one of my older units, Kissy. Kissy is a 2-year-old unit, A-line bob, and I have not colored her in 2 years. I haven't done much of anything to her here recently, so it's time to give her some love. And to refresh her color, I'm going to be using a technique that I have never used before. It's a watercolor technique, and to do that, all you need is a basin of water and your semi-permanent hair color. I wish that I had like a clear basin so y'all could see it as I mix it in, but this is the only one I had, so we'll deal with it. And of course, you need some gloves. Alright you guys, so let's get her refreshed and see how she turns out. Alright you guys, and this is the finished look. I think it came out so great to be a 15-minute color, you guys. Seriously, it took me 15 minutes to refresh this color and it looks brand new. Let's see. Yes, honey, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. And if you're feeling it, make sure you leave a comment and let me know. Also, if you want to order your own custom wig, something like Kissy or any of my other styles of wigs, please visit my website, www.bestokestyling.com. And don't get worried. Like if you're like, oh my god, I really like that wig, but I can't do blue. Don't worry. I can do it in any color you want. Alright? So So check out the website, or even just drop down in the comments down below, and I'll make sure I get back with you, alright? Y'all, also, if you like this look, yes, if she is beat, honey, make sure y'all check out my latest Face Beat Friday video so you can see how I achieved it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.